In this video, you will learn how to trade Solana meme coins effortlessly by using a custom Telegram bot. Let's get started. I personally use a bot called Shuriken. It's fast, safe, and reliable. This one also has 24/7 live customer support too. You can also use other trading bots out there since almost all of them has the same functions, but for this tutorial, I'll be using the Shuriken bot. First, click the link on the pinned comments and go over to Shuriken Trading Bot. Then click on the Start button or type "Jetch Start." Click on the Start button and join the two channels. Then hit "Yes, I have." Click on Next and click on Next again. Now Shuriken just created a bunch of wallets for you. You can import your own Solana wallet, but I'll recommend you to fund some Solana onto this one for convenience. Let's move on. Click on or type /wallets and go to Wallets function and click on View Addresses. Copy your Solana address and send some Solana to this address. You can send it from anywhere. After funding, let's see how you can buy Solana tokens. First of all, you have to have the contract address of a Solana token to begin with. You can get the contract address from the tokens page, or you can find tokens on the Shuriken Solana scanner too, but do your own research. Once you have one, simply paste the CA on Shuriken. Now, you have multiple options, but don't get overwhelmed. On the screen, you can see multiple buy buttons like buy 0.1, buy 0.5, etc. If you click on them, it means that the bot will buy 0.1 Solana worth of tokens that you just pasted. With this option, you can buy tokens with a specific amount of Solana. Let's try buying 0.1 Solana worth of this token. As you can see, the bot bought the tokens within seconds. Now let's see how you can sell the tokens easily. Once you buy the token, you can see a positions panel. If not, simply paste the CA again and click Track. On the bottom, you can see multiple options like sell 30%, sell 50%, and more. This means that if you click on any of them, the bot will sell that percentage worth of tokens that you hold. So if you click sell 50%, bot will sell 50% of the total tokens you hold. Let's try selling 50%. As you can see, the bot sold the tokens within seconds too. So this is how you basically use the Shuriken bot to buy and sell tokens. You can check out their docs for more info, and if you have any doubts, you can comment down below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our new channel. Thank you.